Today, I'll teach you how to use the manual mode of the CP1. Align the rear camera with the position of the protective pad and place the phone. Press the switch and wait for the machine to finish resetting. Select Manual Mode. Set the heating temperature, and then click Start. Wait for the automatic clamp to position the phone correctly. Loosen the left and right screws, then adjust the robotic arm to the appropriate length. Next, simply wait for the machine to heat for the appropriate duration. Time's up. Click Lift to raise the robotic arm. Gently insert the card into the gap between the screen and the body. Click Discouraged. The screen has been successfully removed. Now, let's see the result. Awesome!